made the man of the match Mohammad Siraj, a cricket sensation who started his journey on the dusty streets of Hyderabad. Born into a modest family in the old city of Hyderabad, Siraj's story is one of determination and perseverance. With his father working as an auto-rickshaw driver, the road to success was not easy, but Siraj never stopped dreaming.
जी मैं ऑटो चलाता हूँ। मोहम्मद रोशन मेरा नाम, ऑटो ड्राइवर।
जी। तो बेटे के पीछे क्या क्या स्ट्रगल करें आप?
बच्चे को खेलता क्रिकेट में था, बच्चा बचपन से क्रिकेट खेलता है, खेलो बोल के बोले, माँ बाप के दुआएं।
His big break came when a local cricket coach recognized his talent and helped him join local cricket clubs. But the turning point came when he was picked by Royal Challengers Bangalore in the IPL auction, earning a place in the Indian cricket team.
मेरा तो प्रैक्टिस बस मेरा जुनून था, बस मैं ड्रीम मेरा सक्सेसफुल होना बोल के आईपीएल के रिप्रेजेंट करना और इंडिया के लिए रिप्रेजेंट करना.
And yesterday, Mohammad Siraj made history, becoming the first Indian bowler to take 4 wickets in a single over during the Asia Cup 2023 final. In a sensational spell, he took 6 for 21, leading India to the 8th Asia Cup title with a 10-wicket win over Sri Lanka at the Premadasa Stadium. From the streets of Hyderabad to the international stage, Mohammad Siraj's journey is a testament to the power of dreams and determination. He is a true inspiration to aspiring cricketers everywhere.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मैं अल्लाह ताला से शुक्र अदा करती हूँ, मेरा बेटा इंडिया का नाम रोशन करे, मेरा बच्चे का परफॉर्म अच्छा रहे, मेरा बच्चा और आगे जाए।